Okay, welcome to GP's vlogs. I've got one parcel and I'm sure that most of you guys, when I posted this yesterday on my Instagram, everyone knew what is in this box. Like, I don't know how, but might be because a lot of moto vloggers and a lot of vloggers are already getting this big box. So yeah, you guys were right. It's a SteelBird helmet and I think I'm going to unbox it. But I'm going to unbox it in a different way. I'm going to ask my dad to unbox it. I want to see what's his reaction to this helmet, which I'm pretty much sure it looks different. It's like not like a usual helmet, it's a little different. So let's get it started. ये एक्स्ट्रा वाइजर कसं आहे सुपर आहे हां तुम्ही बघितलं का त्याचं हेल्मेट सही आहे ना घालून बघतात मी वॉन्ट्स टू वेअर इट बिफोर वायझर बंद करा ओ काय फनी आहे हां
फंकी नाही म्हणजे मस्त हे नाही
हां मोठं
सिंपल आणि सोबर आहे
हां अच्छा ठीक आहे सिंपल अँड सोबर इज व्हॉट ही सेज Okay, this helmet is so wide. I think it's perfect for the city, which they say that it should be used in city. Like, I got a letter on which it is written that the helmet is made for city use. Obviously, I won't be using such a helmet. I mean, it looks strong, but then not that. You can see the gap between my chin, and so it's not something which I would use or recommend for long rides, but then super for city rides. It's like, it's very wide. I can see so much. Like when I put this on. Whoa, super. And it looks so cool. Yeah, this looks like an Iron Man helmet. Imagine, Iron Man helmet. Super. I liked it. I know there are a lot of people who are reviewing this helmet on their channel anyways. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to review this helmet anyways. Like, I don't know how can I review this helmet. I'm going to wear it, use it. I'm going to check few videos of other moto vloggers, what they have said or talked about this. And let's go. For the paper. An Indian brand which is trying to do something. I don't know how people are going to take it as, but then I would take it as a good step of an Indian brand to get some quality goods out to us. So obviously we can use this for city use at least, but yeah, according to the price, what it's written on that leaflet which they have given, it's something around 2,450 to 3,200 something. SteelBird SB2 helmet. Okay. Oh, the first video is by Ride with Raj, which was made 4 months ago. I think I've seen Ride with Raj making this video before. So yes, you can go ahead to Ride with Raj to know more, because I'm sure he would have. Will it survive SteelBird SB2 drop test at 750? 70 feet. Who's this guy? Rev it up. He did drop it. Oh, okay. Okay, he did drop it. Helmet looks fairly good. I assume that I would use this helmet for city use for sure. Like, I don't mind using a SteelBird helmet which is of this quality and which looks this cool in city. Okay, I don't recommend this for long distance ride. This is what I see from the SteelBird's page which I got, in which they have mentioned very seriously that this can be used only for city, or it is specially made for city rides. And you guys know I prefer riding my SOL when I'm on long rides, and also THH. Sometimes THH, I used to use my THH in cities, but this is a good option, right? What do you guys think about this helmet? Put in the comments below. We'll talk about it. But I want to take this out for a ride because it has nice wide vision for this helmet. Thanks SteelBird for selling this helmet. Yeah, I would use it for sure anyway. Okay, I'm trying to change the visor so that I can ride at night. I'm going out